Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I wanted to jump on here and do a quick review video for a company that sent me out a bottle of oil and a soap. I'm going to do the soap in a different video. I just think that's a whole different level than a beard oil. I mean, not by far, but just to keep it, you know, in its own separate genre, if you will, of a video. But anyway, the company I want to go over tonight is called Rougue Supplier. They sent me out a 1 ounce bottle of oil. The company's from Georgia, and I've had this for about 2 months now. Oh, focus. There we go. And like I said, I've used it on and off and on quite a few times. The ingredients in this, let me see if I can see this. I can't see the ingredients in this, but I will definitely put them down below. The scent of this is almost like a tea tree peppermint. The consistency of it, I'll dump a little bit out in my hands. The consistency of it on the lighter side. It's just like your tea tree type scent. I'm not a big fan of the tea tree or the peppermint. This oil, like I said, I've used it a good, I'm going to say a month and a half at least. When I first started using it, my beard felt soft. It felt comfortable. It was noticeably soft, I'll say. The scent, like I said, I'm not a big fan of the actual scent. But that's why it took me so long to do this review. I wanted to make sure I used it. I don't want to say I used and abused it, but I made sure I got a lot of use out of it. After a certain amount of time I was using this, it felt like it was drying my beard out. The ingredients, I wish I could read the ingredients, but there is a big list of ingredients at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. But like, originally when I first started using this, my beard felt amazing, super soft. But I didn't change anything up, because every time I review a product, I stick to a beard wash that I know works well for me. I don't know what changed. I mean, not necessarily changed. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it felt like the more I used it, the more dry my beard got. The skin underneath, not so bad. My skin underneath felt fine. But just by touching my beard using this product, it felt really super dry. I don't know if it's just my beard, because you all guys know I've tried and reviewed a ton of products and had the same effect, but it didn't. I would use the product it felt like it was drying my beard out. I would use it more and more, and it got better. But the more and more I used this one, it just didn't seem to get my beard soft. I'd say the first week and a half, maybe 2, it was fine. But after that, it just went downhill. And I didn't change anything up how I washed my beard, so my beard just didn't like this. I don't know. I don't understand. But I do want to send a huge thank you to the guys, to the team at Rougue Supplier. I appreciate you sending this out. Guys, I'm not down at a company. This might be a thing to where it's my beard. I don't know. But if you guys would like to try it, I'll leave all the information down in the description box. The soap, on the other hand, phenomenal soap. I've been using the soap. It came in like a square, rectangular type soap. Awesome soap. I've had nothing but like goodness with that soap. I love using the soap. That'll be my next review on this company. I've had better luck with that. Also, I wanted to give them a shout out. I was going to put these in my beard, but it was just too dang hard without that pick. And what I mean by too hard, if you'll see, it's got these hair beads. I think that's what they're called. Really awesome beads. I think they're brass. They're pretty hefty. Thank you for adding these into the package. I really appreciate it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I have no reason to be dishonest in my reviews. The reviews that I do that I don't have much luck with. I hate doing the videos as anybody else would, but you got to be transparent. You got to be professional about it, and you got to treat it as if it were any other video. And I hope the company can respect that, appreciate it, and rebuild or reformulate or however they want to go about it. Like I said, though, it just might be my beard. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Guys, until the next video, peace.